Accelerating Your Wealth, a comprehensive 365-day blueprint to become a millionaire. Hey there, wealth warriors. Welcome back to my channel, the ultimate destination for transforming aspirations into fortunes. Today, we're diving deep into a groundbreaking journey, how to become a millionaire in just 365 days. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this extraordinary adventure together. Developing the millionaire mindset. Success is a mindset game, so let's start by cultivating the millionaire mindset. Here's the detailed roadmap. 1.1 Set clear financial goals. Begin by setting crystal clear financial goals. Outline your yearly target and break it down into monthly and weekly milestones. This roadmap will serve as your guiding light. Positive visualization techniques. Incorporate positive visualization techniques into your daily routine. Create a mental image of your future success, and reinforce it with affirmations. Visualization primes your mind for success and keeps you focused on your objectives. Continuous learning strategies. Commit to a robust learning plan. Read financial literature, attend workshops, and engage with successful mentors. The more knowledge you acquire, the better prepared you'll be for the challenges and opportunities ahead. Building diverse income streams. Now that your mindset is in the millionaire zone, it's time to explore practical steps. Building multiple streams of income is the key to unlocking wealth. Here's how to do it. Diversify your investments. Explore diverse investment avenues such as stocks, real estate, and even venture into a small business. Diversification minimizes risk and maximizes your potential returns. Cultivate profitable side hustles. Identify and cultivate profitable side hustles. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or an e-commerce venture, these additional income streams can significantly boost your financial progress. Embrace passive income opportunities. Invest in passive income sources like dividend stocks, rental properties, or automated businesses. This way, your money continues to work for you, even while you're sleeping. Mastering money management. Now that the cash is flowing in, mastering money management is crucial. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of financial control. Precision budgeting. Craft a detailed budget that meticulously tracks your income and expenses. This provides clarity on where your money is going and helps you allocate resources effectively. Establish an emergency fund. Build a robust emergency fund to weather unexpected storms. This financial cushion ensures that life's uncertainties don't derail your millionaire journey. Strategic debt reduction. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts strategically. The more you save on interest payments, the more you can channel towards wealth-building investments. Networking and mentorship. Success is not a solo journey, it's about the connections you make. Let's explore the importance of networking and mentorship. Strategic networking. Strategically build a network by attending industry events, joining online forums, and engaging with professionals. The connections you make might open doors to unforeseen opportunities. Seek wisdom through mentorship. Find a mentor who has walked the path you aspire to. Their guidance can provide invaluable shortcuts, helping you navigate challenges and seize opportunities more efficiently. As we conclude this epic journey, remember that becoming a millionaire in 365 days is a commitment, a mindset shift, and a strategic action plan. If this roadmap resonates with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tribe, and hit that subscribe button for more transformative content. Remember, your millionaire journey starts now.